Hi, this is Harish here. Welcome to LUW Tips and Tricks video tutorial part 157. In this video tutorial, I'm going to talk about the registry variable DB2 code page. I want to talk about this is a suggestion to say that you use with caution. The code page conversion usually takes care of the code page issues. So if somebody says, oh, there is code page conversion is overhead, it's just not always a bad thing. The scripts that I'm using, the data files that I'm using are available for download at db2lewacademy.blogspot.com. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, youtube.com/db2lewacademy. This slide talks about the problem scenarios wherein I just want to reiterate what the knowledge center is also explicitly suggesting. It is very clear. Even it goes to the far that it says do not use it unless mandated by the support team. So that's the wording from the knowledge center. So the DB2 code page registry variable, you can use it with caution, but knowledge center is very, very clear. Do not use it unless mandated by support. So what is the alternative? Suggestion is like the alternative is like the code page conversion is a good thing. It's not always a bad thing. It depends obviously on the scenario or the situation or the kind of application that you're running. So certain times allow DB2 to handle it. It's built for it. So there's no need for overriding the behavior. It's not only about just setting a registry variable. You have to consider the client program code page too. So I'm just going to demonstrate what I mean by that. Okay. So as usual, let's go to an example. Okay, so here I have two systems. So one is a server, like we can think it of like a server. I mean, it is a server. So I have already started the instance and I have activated the database. The database name is CP1252, and you can see the get dbcfg. You can see the database code page. So even though this is an RHEL system, so I am creating a database with code page 1252, code set 1252, and territory India. So this is activated. This is on the server side. So if you like say do a local connection, so connect to CP1252, and already I used this connect and I created the table and I inserted certain values like one Z and one pound sign and one yen sign. So I'm going to show you what is actually stored inside the table. Let's go quickly run that. So you can see phi 8 is for I think the alphabet Z, and A3 is for the pound symbol, and A5 is for the yen symbol. So there are 3 records already available. Okay, so now if I go and to a client machine and I'm just connecting to that same database, so obviously I have cataloged, and this is like another machine. Okay, this is another VM, so this is going to act like a client machine. So here I'm going to do the same thing. So connect to CP1252. So the cataloging is all done. So just I'm just guaranteeing you that. Okay, you can try for yourself. So so select ID name hex name from tlog. So from the server side, I just want to display the values. You can see that the value is perfectly displayed. Here actually you can see that there is a code page conversion occurring, and because of the code page conversion occurring, you get very good results. So if I say, for example, db2-a connect, so you will see that the client is in 1208 code page, the server is in 1252 code page. Okay, so this is not a bad thing. So you can see that even if I'm running on different code pages, I'm still getting proper results display wise and everything, so which is really a good thing. So if somebody is going to suggest you like what look at like what happens, like I'll terminate, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this code page variable to 1252. Okay, I'll copy that. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, so if you see db2 set -all, so now the code page is set. Okay, and I'll connect to the database. Okay, okay, now the database is connected, and you can also see -a connect. They are in the same code page, right? So this is the common thing that they say. If you're in the same code page, you'll get nice things like no issues like that. That's what they used to tell you. But look at what happens actually. Okay, it's not displaying properly, even though the values are the same, 5A, A3 and A5. So you can see on the server, it's 5A, A3 and A5. The hexadecimal value is the same, but here it is displaying properly, but in the client side machine, it's not displaying properly. That's because you need to change the client program code page also. So if you go to here, compatibility, this is like a terminal application. So I'm going and changing there. 1252. Do I see 1252 here? I should see 1252. Yeah, Windows 1252 code page. So once I change the compatibility setting and I run the same query, you can see that it is processing properly. So it's just not only about setting this registry variable. That will not alone solve your problem. It's the application program that is running the DB2. Even that matters. So in our case, this is a terminal program. So I had to change the encoding of the terminal program as well to 1252, along with setting the registry variable DB2 code page equal to 1252. This is what most people find difficult to understand, but hope this information clarifies. Like, first suggestion, do not use it. That's the first suggestion. Okay. If you have to use it, just make sure that you are setting the DB2 code page registry variable, and your client program also has a code page in which it is running. So you have to make sure that code page also is in synchronous with that. Okay. So that is the tip that I wanted to provide you. Hope this information was useful to you. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe to my channel, youtube.com/db2luw academy. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.